Hey guys, so today we are going to be building this 6-cube organizer as pictured here. I got this at Walmart. Enjoy what is my filming space, which is essentially my garage, a bunch of trash, and my makeup. Yay me! Anyways, I need more space to put things on top of. I don't have enough space right now. And essentially that's why I got this thing, and then I'm also getting like some additional organizers, and I'm going to be reorganizing all of my makeup, and also I'm going to be getting some drawers. I'm not 100% sure how like this is all going to play out. I don't know. I just know that I want to incorporate these pieces. I think that pretty much gets us going. Alright, now let's see. The key is to put it in far enough to get it to line up. Who said Mexican? Okay. Okay, girl. Get it tight. Oh shit. Can't be leaving extra pieces out there, y'all. There it is. Boom! That was easy peasy. Okay, so all the finishing touches were just adding these little covers right here, and for like any holes. And then the reason why you don't want to do this on a shaggy rug is because you end up with a fuzzy. You guys see that? Yep. And I literally cannot pull this out for the... Hey! Okay. Never mind. I retract my statement. Do it on a fuzzy carpet. So currently, this is what we have. I have my desk, which I only use when I'm actually filming. Kind of my setup, I have all that stuff, which is just like filming equipment and bag equipment for like my setup. So I think I'm going to put those somewhere else. And then I have this black table, and then these are things that I need to hang up, but I haven't had a chance. I'll show you guys so you can see it briefly. How do we like it, guys? Cute? A little bit? Maybe? Maybe not? Okay guys, so we got our last piece of furniture, which is going to be a 7-drawer white Alex drawer dupe type of thing. I got it on Amazon. It was going to get here like in a month, and then it ended up getting here in like 5 days. So that's good, and it's going to be the last piece we assemble, and then we should be able to like have a whole new setup done and finished and organized. So my boyfriend's going to be assisting, because that's what boyfriends do. They help you out when you're in need. So this piece costs $109. I'll link it down below for you guys to see. Oh, it's like a little birthday present. That's much heavier. And voila, we've got wood. That's that essentially makes up now like the big outside portion. I mean, ours is upside down because this is the bottom and that's the top. Apparently we fucked up. So now we're gonna undo what we did and fix it. Together, we've got a drawer of sorts. Look at the drawer. I don't know what I was doing that, but now it's got wheels. Yay! Should we test it out? I think we should. I guess we'll start at the bottom. It's already fucking out. Just kidding. Let's find out. Ah, look at that! Ah, I need to pull this out.
Princess?
I think I want to. What'd you call me?
Princess.
Oh.
What do you think I said?
I thought you said, what do you need, princess? Why are you calling me princess? So I think this is gonna be the design. Yeah, so I think this is gonna be the setup for this at the moment. I just put the contour palettes. This one, I had like a hard time figuring out where to place it. And then this is just my eyeshadow singles. In the second drawer, I've got all the highlighting stuff, so the palettes. And then I decided to move all these in here, which were located up here before. And then I've got all the blushes, so these are all the singles. And I think I'm going to get more of these containers, and then I can put those up there. And then those are just some blush palettes. And then we've got the lashes. This is what I've got in stock right now. Some Ardell's, which are my favorites. Some Nicole, also favorites. These are like my more recently used. And then I've got a shit show of a drawer, some cleaning and travel bags, and down here is nothing. And then I have to figure out what I'm going to do with this container. Probably put it in a drawer. And then over here we've got, I thought this made a little bit of sense. I tried to put my powders up here, but it just didn't work out. But I've got the setting sprays, foundations, bronzers. I didn't know where else to put my bronzers. And then I kept this for tools. These are compacts that I need to fix that are broken. These are powders. all high-end drugstore. Then high-end drugstore loose powders. And then I've got a bunch of like little eyeshadow palettes. So ColourPop, like Wet n Wild. There's just a bunch of little mini palettes. These are all my Morphe palettes. All of those, the Jaclyn Hill 35O, and then I think it's like a 35P or F, or I don't really know. And then down here, this stayed the same, which is just pencil liners, liquid liners, mascara, glitters, no, not glitters, brows and eyeshadow primers, glitters and loose powders, glitter powders, all my primers, and then more eyeshadow palettes, and then just a cute little thing there. And then up here, this stayed the same, which is just like my ABH palette. So Modern Renaissance, Alyssa, Carly Bible, Jackie Aina, Riviera, Prism, Amrezi, Artist Palette, and then the Dose of Colors, because this one's beautiful and I didn't want it to go elsewhere. I thought that, you know, the bling bling went together. And then we've got lipsticks, my little candle, and then down here, this is essentially the last bit of makeup that we have, which is just eyeshadow palettes. So the Lunar Beauty, the Lorac Pro, Naked 3, Sweet Peach, You're So Money, Burgundy, and Sugar Pop. So more high-end-ish palettes, and then that's just a cool little skull candle, and that just has a candle and a few little things, and these are all empty. So it gives us some room to grow. So that is the setup for the time being, and this is just my little backdrop, but I think that we are pretty happy with this, and that's all I've got for you. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye.